Greetings. Today I want to speak to you concerning your magic formula. Everyone have a magic formula, and that magic formula can only be found within. Whether you believe it or not, you are a mass of energy, and that energy can be transmuted into your reality. Okay? It could be transmuted into money, wealth, good health, success, prosperity. As a matter of fact, anything that you desire in this world, you can transmute your energy into it if you understand the inner science of alchemy. So my brother, my sisters, there is no special formula, but the one formula that we all are. That's it. You see, when I speak about energy, energy goes along with vibration and frequency. So your thoughts, they are vibrational frequency. So what energy you are of would mean what spirit you are of. And that goes back to how you think, how you see yourself, how you feel about yourself. So all is mind. So this energy works according to your mentality. And that is why in the book of Mind Science, it gives you the key whereby it says that as a man thinketh in his heart. It is speaking about your energetic field. It is speaking about the seat of consciousness, the seat of awareness. From the spark that gives you this human experience, the spark of God, the first vibration from the invisible realm. So as a man thinketh in his heart, as you see yourself in the invisible world, so shall you be established in the physical three-dimensional world. So you want to be rich? See yourself rich first in the spiritual world, in the energetic world. Do you know that you have an energetic body? Do you know that you have imaginary hands and feet? Everything that you have, physically speaking, you have it also in the spiritual realm. You see, you are physical, you are psychological, and you are spiritual. So you are a triune being, and you have to live that way. You can never live one-sided. But unfortunately, all religion have you living one-sidedly. That's why all of them have you That is why all of them have you looking outwardly. They've been pointing you to look on the outside instead of on the inside. But this magic formula is actually your superpower. And unless you exercise your imagination, you will never know that this power has been lying dormant within you. And so the church or the church system, they teach you never to practice meditation. They teach you not to practice visualization and affirmation and these things because they tell you that they are demonic. And so the church agenda is to block you from knowing who you are and block you from using your superpower because they want to exercise their power over you. Okay, so my brother, my sisters, your energy body must be utilized to create your reality consciously. And it is as simple as you finding a quiet place daily to think, to visualize, to affirm, to meditate, and to go within yourself and appropriate your life whichever way you want it to be. So take some time out from your busy schedule and exercise your mind. And that is why if you look at the super rich, they use their money to what? To buy time. Okay, they use their money to buy time. That's why they have so much employees. I can remember quite vividly in 2020 to 2022 when they had the pandemic. Okay, it gave me so much time to be alone. It gave me so much time to do all these things that I'm mentioning to you, that I was actually one of the most joyful person when people was worrying and fretting themselves about their jobs and so on, and they were given an ultimatum whether to take the inoculation or lose their job and so on, and some people was wondering how they're going to eat, where they're going to live, how they're going to keep up with the Joneses and so on. They were studying all of these things while I was smiling and saying, I get more time to meditate. I get more time to be in nature. I get more time to do all of these things. You know what I mean? So, my brother and my sisters, you have to become more of a doer and not just being a hearer. Okay? And you have to be patient. Okay? Because for you to really discover your magical formula, you have to really be a good practitioner. Okay? In terms of you have to practice. And you have to believe. Sometimes I hear people say they have a manifest. That means you doubt it. How could you be looking for something that you already have in your possession? Many people normally go looking for what they already have. Do you realize that creation is already finished? Do you realize that everything is already here? All you just need to do is just get into the right vibration and frequency, drawing from your energy. Okay? So utilize the right, mindset. And that right mindset would mean what kind of energy, okay, that you're choosing to use to transmute into your reality. Okay? That is why it's always good to be happy. It's always good to be joyful. Don't look at the circumstances. you must always be smiling. Okay? Laughter is the best medicine. Okay? So, my brother and my sisters, tap in to your energetic field and use your energy wisely to create your reality consciously. Know what you want. You have to know exactly what you want. Write it down. Be definite about it. And do it metari. Wait for it. It is sure you're working with law. You see, this whole universe, everything, your life, everything, it runs by certain law and order. And the way you go to bed and the way you awake, that is what is definitely shaping your life. So my brother and my sister, take control of your life, or someone else will take control of it for you. Okay? Use the secret formula to achieve your every desire. So with that being said, my brother and my sister, I want to thank you very much for listening to me. I want to say to you, if this is the very first time that you're listening to me, what I'm saying, if it makes sense to you, if it really resonates with you, and you have a subscriber already, I definitely want to encourage you to subscribe, to like, to comment, or to share this video. Also, if you like to follow me on Instagram, you like to follow me on TikTok, you can definitely follow me at BlackMadGuru. If you haven't gotten my books as yet, the links are down below. If you need to be on my Patreon community, you feel welcome. And I have a course there for people donating $20 or more. It's called the Inner Sun Science and Technology to Create Your Reality Consciously. And along with that is a bonus course on self-concept. Also, if you'd like to do a one-on-one with me, you can reach out to me directly by way of email and we can set up a one-on-one. Or you can do a one-on-one with me on an app called Faithia. But the choice is yours. So with that being said, my brother and my sisters, my last encouragement to you is to check out all of the links that are down below. And let your intuition definitely lead you and guide you into what to do. So with that being said, I just want to say peace, love you all, I'm out.